has been an extremely nasty morning. We are in Uptown, have been experiencing the thick of the storm this morning. Spoke with some businesses in the Carrollton area. They say they've been very slow because of the weather, considering it is a Monday morning. We've seen a lot of commuters and drivers on the road, but they've been facing a lot of problems because of flooding. Take a look at this. A lot of the streets and roads have become ponds and lakes, especially in the low-lying areas. But neighbors here tell me this is considerably high, given the area that they're in here in the Uptown neighborhood. Winds have been very powerful too, so we've seen minor damage so far. Take a look down there. Some tree branches are down. Not a lot of major damage, but we have seen some trees powerfully moving in the intense and tenacious winds. We've also seen a lot of lightning strikes just in the last half hour, so please be careful if you're outdoors. And finally, the rain. It's been pouring down heavily in the last couple of hours this morning. That is a lot of the problem that's created the flooding we've seen in the area. It's a day that you want to stay indoors and be extra safe and careful wherever you are. On your side in Uptown, Sela Kim, WDSU News.